I want to talk to you about one of our featured cases this month that we were able to resolve recently for a very deserving client. Very nice woman, retired. She's traveling in Virginia Beach on Lynn Haven Parkway. She's with her husband, she's with other family in the car, and the at-fault driver made a very bizarre maneuver. He tried to make a very dangerous maneuver. He tried to make a U-turn from the far right lane rather than the far left lane or turn lane like you should. So he tried to whip this U-turn from the far right lane and ran right into the car that my client was in, injured her very badly. She had a bad fracture to her leg. It was such an odd accident, factually, what happened, that the accident report didn't really tell the story very well. It was hard to describe because it was such an unusual way for an accident to happen. So what we did was we jumped right on it and we did a thorough investigation. I can't stress enough how important it is to get top value on a case, to do a great investigation on the front end. So what we did was we did a Freedom of Information Act request. We were able to get the lapel camera video footage from the Virginia Beach Police Department. And that had some gold on it, some really good evidence that helped us. There was a witness who saw the whole thing. He was in a parking lot nearby. He was waiting for some friends to get off work. He heard the accident. He ran over, told the police everything he saw. He checked on my client. The problem was his name wasn't in the police materials. None of the reports had his witness statement in it. But because we had the video footage from the police officer, we were able to watch all of it. And we were able to find his phone number written down in the document on the video that was never produced. So we have an excellent investigator. He was able to hunt down this young man who provided a great witness statement that really made the case as close to a slam dunk as you can have in a motor vehicle case. So it was great having that favorable witness in our back pocket to help us win this case and just really focus on trying to get as much money for this deserving client as we could, focusing on the damages, on the injuries. She had a lengthy recovery. She had a fractured leg. She did improve greatly. We were able to secure for her a $300,000 settlement. She did not want to go to court, and that's okay. I don't tell the other side that, of course, but because we were able to work up the case properly, do the front-end investigation needed, we had enough leverage to pressure a very favorable settlement for this very deserving client. Another thing that a lot of people don't realize is it doesn't cost you anything to talk to us. If you have ever been in an accident or you know someone who's been in an accident and you have questions, we will never charge somebody to talk to us. We offer free consultations. You should always talk to a capable law firm before you talk to an insurance company. And if it's a type of case where we can get involved and we should get involved and you want our help, you never owe us any money up front. We never charge people money up front. We charge a contingency fee, which means we don't get paid unless you win your case. Money has to be spent on experts, on doctors, or whatever it may be to prove what happened in your case. We advance all that money. We don't look to you to contribute financially during the course of a case ever. And that's because we know you've been through a lot. You may be out of work. You may be hurt. It's expensive to try to hire a lawyer up front like that. So that's why we offer this type of fee arrangement for people, and it allows people access to justice and to the court. So again, we're the car crash experts. Wanted to mention this case. We handle big injury cases. We know what we're doing. We know how to investigate. We know how to try them. So again, Bill O'Mara, if you know anyone who's been hurt in a car accident, I'd be happy to chat with you, offer you a free consultation. We're at 757-333-3333.
No need to worry. Call Cooper Hurley.
The car crash experts. 333-3333.